Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer and then go to the contacts. If it's about the contact that you would like to block, select this contact and click on information icon, then tap here on the more icon in the right upper corner and then select the block contact. Confirm that you would like to block this contact, and that's it. Here you've got the sign, and from now on you will not receive any calls or messages from Tim. Then if you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, just click on the more icon and tap on unblock contact, and that's it. Now Tim will be able to reach you. So let me go back, and also you can activate blacklist through the recents. Just tap on more icon in the right upper corner, select settings and click on block numbers. And here you can add some specific number. Just enter it and tap on plus to add it to your blacklist. You can also pick something from recents or from your contacts. To remove number from your blacklist, just tap on minus icon and confirm it. As you can see, now you will receive calls and messages from this number. But also Samsung Galaxy A71 gives you a possibility to block all unknown callers. To do it, just tap on this switcher, and from now on every unknown caller will be rejected. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can block a number in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.